Tired of the endless grind of filming and editing? What if I told you that you could build a profitable YouTube channel that practically runs itself, making you money while you sleep, all without ever showing your face or touching a camera? It sounds too good to be true, but in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how AI can build you a passive income empire on YouTube, step by step. This isn't just theory, it's a proven blueprint that anyone can follow. Let's dive right in. The secret weapon we're using is artificial intelligence. Forget spending hours scripting, recording, and editing. Modern AI tools have completely changed the game. Imagine having a tool that can take a simple idea, like amazing facts about the ocean, and instantly generate a full, engaging script. That's not science fiction. It's what tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can do for you in seconds. You feed it a topic, and it gives you a well-structured, human-like script. This alone cuts your content creation time by at least 80%. But what about the video itself? This is where it gets really exciting. We're talking about faceless YouTube channels. These are channels where the creator is anonymous, and the content is driven by voiceovers, stock footage, animations, and text. Think about popular channels in niches like history, finance, meditation, or top 10 lists. You've probably watched dozens of them without ever seeing the creator. This is the model we're going to replicate, but on autopilot. The magic happens inside AI video generation studios. Platforms like InVideo AI, Pictory, or Synthesia are revolutionary. Here's how they work. You take the script your AI writer just created, paste it into the AI video generator, and the platform does the heavy lifting. It automatically finds relevant, high-quality stock video clips, images, and background music that match the context of your script. It can even generate a realistic AI voiceover for you, choosing from dozens of voices and languages. You can literally create a polished, professional-looking video in minutes, not days. Let me walk you through a quick example. Let's say we want to create a video about 3 habits of highly successful people. First, we ask an AI writer to generate a script. We get a 500-word script in about a minute. Then, we copy and paste that script into an AI video studio. The AI analyzes the text, sentence by sentence. For a line like, "Successful people often start their day with exercise," the AI will automatically pull a clip of someone jogging at sunrise. For a line about reading books, it will find footage of a library or someone turning a page. It pieces all of this together seamlessly, adds background music, and generates a voiceover. All you have to do is review it, maybe swap a few clips you don't like, and click export. Your video is done. Now, creating the video is only half the battle. You need to get people to click on it. This is where your channel's branding and optimization come in. Your thumbnail and title are the most important elements. They are your video's billboard. For thumbnails, you can use tools like Canva, which has AI features to help you design something eye-catching. The formula is simple. Use bold, easy-to-read text, high-contrast colors, and a compelling image that sparks curiosity. Instead of a title like Successful Habits, try something more engaging like The 1% Don't Want You to Know These 3 Habits. Use AI to brainstorm dozens of title variations until you find one that's irresistible. Your channel's branding should be consistent. Create a professional-looking banner and profile picture that reflects your niche. If you're in the finance space, use colors like green and gold. If you're in the meditation niche, use calming blues and purples. This consistency builds trust and makes your channel look legitimate and authoritative, even if it's run entirely by AI. So you're consistently creating and uploading high-quality, optimized videos with minimal effort. How do you actually make money? This is the best part. The primary way is through the YouTube Partner Program, which lets you earn money from ads shown on your videos. To qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. With an automated system, you can produce content at a scale that helps you hit these milestones much faster than a traditional creator. Imagine uploading 1 or even 2 videos every single day. The more videos you have, the more views you accumulate, and the faster you get monetized. But ad revenue is just the beginning. The real money in faceless YouTube automation comes from other income streams. The most powerful one is affiliate marketing. You can find products or services related to your niche and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. For example, If you have a channel about tech gadgets, you can review a product and link to it on Amazon. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This is pure passive income. The videos you made months or even years ago can continue to earn you affiliate commissions every single day. You can also sell your own digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates. A finance channel could sell a budget tracking spreadsheet. A meditation channel could sell guided meditation audio tracks. The video content acts as a marketing funnel, driving traffic to your products. And since the video creation is automated, you can focus your energy on creating high-value products that your audience will love. Other monetization methods include sponsored content, where brands pay you to feature their product in your video, and channel memberships, where your biggest fans pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks. The key is to diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on ad revenue. Build a multifaceted business around your automated channel. The beauty of this whole system is its scalability. Once you've established a successful process for one channel, you can replicate it. You can start another channel in a completely different niche. You could have a history channel, a psychology channel, and a travel channel all running simultaneously, all generating passive income for you, and all managed in just a few hours a week. Your income potential isn't tied to the number of hours you can work, it's tied to the efficiency of the systems you build. The key to long-term success is consistency. Commit to a regular upload schedule. The YouTube algorithm rewards channels that consistently provide value to their audience. With AI tools, this is easier than ever. You can batch create an entire month's worth of content in a single afternoon. Schedule the uploads, and then you're free. The channel works for you, not the other way around. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It still requires an initial setup, a smart strategy, and a commitment to quality. But the barrier to entry has never been lower. You no longer need expensive equipment, fancy editing skills, or the confidence to be on camera. All you need is a good idea and the willingness to leverage the incredible power of AI. So, take that first step. Pick a niche you're interested in, explore the AI tools I've mentioned, and create your first video. Don't worry about it being perfect. Your first video won't be your best, but it's the most important one, because it's the one that gets you started. The world of YouTube automation is wide open, and the opportunity to build a source of passive income is right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building your online empire. Let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of starting your Faceless channel in. See you in the next video.